Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two of the most popular hacking platforms, TryHackMe and Hack the Box. These platforms have taken the cybersecurity world by storm. These platforms offer a unique playground for anyone interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or just want to understand how things work under the hood. They provide hands-on experience and real-world scenarios. But with two strong contenders in the ring, the question becomes, which one helps you become a better hacker? Is it TryHackMe with its guided learning paths, or Hack the Box with its challenging labs? Which platform will give you the skills and experience to really level up your game? Both have their unique strengths and weaknesses. So, whether you're a complete beginner just starting your cybersecurity journey or a seasoned veteran looking for a new challenge, stick around, because this video is for you. There's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and discover which platform reigns supreme. Alright, first up we have TryHackMe, a platform that's revolutionizing the way people learn cybersecurity. Now what makes TryHackMe special is its focus on accessibility and guided learning. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a complete beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed. They've really nailed the balance of making learning fun and engaging while still teaching you valuable, real-world skills. The interactive nature of the platform keeps you hooked and eager to learn more. It's like having a personal cybersecurity tutor right at your fingertips. You can learn at your own pace, revisit lessons, and practice as much as you need. One of the things I really appreciate about TryHackMe is its structured learning paths. These paths are meticulously designed to take you from a novice to a proficient hacker. They have paths dedicated to everything from basic web security to network penetration testing, ensuring that you get a comprehensive understanding of each topic, even more specialized areas like cloud security. This specialization allows you to tailor your learning experience to your career goals or personal interests. This means whether you're interested in breaking into web applications, exploring the world of cryptography, or diving deep into incident response, TryHackMe has a structured path to guide you. Each path is like a roadmap, leading you step by step through the complexities of cybersecurity. And the best part? They break down these complex topics into bite-sized, manageable chunks. This makes it easier to digest and retain the information. Each lesson starts with a clear explanation of the concepts, often using real-world examples, which I find super helpful. These examples bridge the gap between theory and practice, making the learning process more relatable. Then, they walk you through hands-on exercises in their virtual labs, so you can apply what you've learned in a safe, controlled environment. This hands-on approach is crucial for mastering cybersecurity skills. Speaking of the labs, that's another area where TryHackMe shines. The labs are designed to simulate real-world scenarios, giving you a taste of what it's like to work as a cybersecurity professional. They have a massive library of interactive labs that simulate real-world vulnerabilities and attack scenarios. This extensive library ensures that you always have new challenges to tackle. This means you're not just reading about theory, you're actually getting your hands dirty, exploiting vulnerabilities, and seeing the impact firsthand. This practical experience is invaluable in the cybersecurity field. And don't worry about getting stuck. The platform is designed to support you every step of the way. TryHackMe has a super active and supportive community. This community is one of the platform's greatest assets. If you're ever struggling with a concept or can't figure out the next step in a challenge, the community is always there to help. You can ask questions, get feedback, and even find study partners. They have forums where you can ask questions, share your progress, and learn from other hackers. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of camaraderie and mutual growth. Now let's talk about some of the cool stuff you can find on TryHackMe. The platform is packed with features that make learning both effective and enjoyable. They have tons of rooms, which are basically like interactive cybersecurity challenges. These rooms cover a wide range of topics and difficulty levels. They range in difficulty from beginner-friendly to seriously challenging, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or looking to hone your skills, you'll find a room that suits your needs. Some of their most popular rooms include Learn Linux, which is a great starting point for anyone new to the Linux command line. Mastering Linux is essential for any aspiring hacker. Web Fundamentals is another popular one that teaches you the basics of web security. Understanding web security is crucial in today's digital age, and if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, check out Pre-Security, which is a great introduction to penetration testing. This room will challenge you and prepare you for more complex tasks. TryHackMe also offers King of the Hill, Koth competitions, which are a ton of fun. These competitions add a competitive edge to your learning experience. These are basically capture the flag, CTF-style competitions, where you compete against other hackers to compromise systems, find flags, and climb the leaderboard. It's a thrilling way to test your skills and learn new techniques. It's a great way to test your skills, learn new techniques, and see how you stack up against the competition. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to see your name climb up the leaderboard. Overall, TryHackMe is a fantastic platform for anyone looking to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. It's a one-stop shop for all your cybersecurity learning needs. Its beginner-friendly approach, structured learning paths, and supportive community make it the perfect place to start your hacking journey. So if you're ready to dive into the world of cybersecurity, TryHackMe is the place to be. Next up, we have Hack the Box, or HTB for short. This platform has become a cornerstone in the cybersecurity community, offering a unique blend of challenges that cater to both beginners and seasoned professionals. Now, if TryHackMe is the friendly neighborhood dojo where you learn the fundamentals, Hack the Box is the intense training montage where you push your skills to the absolute limit. It's the place where you transition from a novice to a pro, honing your abilities through rigorous practice. It's designed for those who are serious about cybersecurity and want to test their mettle against some of the most challenging hacking scenarios out there. Whether you're aiming to become a penetration tester, a security analyst, or just want to deepen your understanding of cybersecurity, HTB has something for you. One of the things that sets Hack the Box apart is its focus on realism. The platform strives to create an environment that closely mirrors the real world, making the learning experience both practical and immersive. The challenges on HTB are designed to mimic real-world attack scenarios, so you're not just learning theoretical concepts, you're actually applying them in environments that closely resemble what you might encounter in the wild. This hands-on approach is invaluable for anyone looking to make a mark in the cybersecurity field. And when I say challenging, I mean it. Hack the Box doesn't hold back. The platform is known for its tough, intricate challenges that require a deep understanding of various hacking techniques and methodologies. The challenges are tough, they're intricate, and they'll really push you to think outside the box. You'll find yourself facing problems that require not just technical skills, but also creativity and persistence. But that's part of the appeal, right? It's that sense of accomplishment you get when you finally crack a difficult challenge that makes it all worthwhile. The thrill of solving a complex problem and the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off is what keeps many coming back for more. Now, let's talk about the machines. These virtual environments are the heart of Hack the Box. On Hack the Box, the challenges are centered around virtual machines, each with its own unique vulnerabilities and attack vectors. These machines are meticulously crafted to provide a wide range of scenarios, from simple exploits to complex multi-step attacks. You'll need to use your skills in reconnaissance, enumeration, exploitation, and privilege escalation to gain access to these machines and ultimately capture the flags hidden within. Each step requires careful planning and execution, making the process both challenging and rewarding. And these aren't your run-of-the-mill, vulnerable machines either. They are designed to be as realistic as possible, often incorporating elements that you would find in actual corporate networks. The HTB team puts a lot of effort into creating realistic and challenging scenarios. They work tirelessly to ensure that each machine offers a unique and educational experience. You might find yourself dealing with custom web applications, obscure operating systems, or complex network configurations. These scenarios are designed to test your knowledge and adaptability, pushing you to learn and grow with each challenge. It's all about pushing your boundaries and forcing you to think creatively. The more you engage with these challenges, the more you'll develop a hacker's mindset, which is crucial for success in this field. But it's not all about individual challenges. Hack the Box also emphasizes the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Hack the Box also offers pro labs, which are essentially simulated corporate networks designed to test your skills in a more comprehensive and realistic environment. These labs are perfect for those looking to gain experience in a setting that closely resembles a real-world corporate network. These labs are designed to mimic the complexities of real-world networks, complete with Active Directory domains, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. They provide a holistic view of what it's like to defend and attack a corporate network. And if you're looking for the ultimate test, Hack the Box also hosts CTFs, both online and in person. These capture the flag events are a great way to put your skills to the test in a competitive environment. These events bring together some of the best hackers from around the world to compete in a race against the clock, to solve challenges, exploit vulnerabilities, and rack up points. It's a thrilling experience that combines learning with competition. One thing I really appreciate about Hack the Box is its community-driven approach. The platform thrives on the contributions and interactions of its members. Many of the challenges and labs are created and curated by the HTB community itself. This not only ensures a constant influx of fresh content, but also brings diverse perspectives and techniques to the table. This means you're constantly getting fresh content and new perspectives. The community's involvement keeps the platform dynamic and ever-evolving. It also fosters a strong sense of collaboration and knowledge sharing within the community. Members often help each other out, share tips and tricks, and work together to solve particularly tough challenges. So whether you're a seasoned penetration tester looking to sharpen your skills, a cybersecurity enthusiast eager to test your mettle, or just someone who enjoys a good challenge, Hack the Box is definitely worth checking out. The platform offers something for everyone, regardless of your skill level. Just be prepared to put in the work because it's not for the faint of heart. The challenges are tough, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Dive in, push your limits, and see just how far you can go. So which platform is right for you? Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills to the next level, both TryHackMe and Hack the Box have something to offer. TryHackMe is like that perfect entry-level sports car. Fun, accessible, and teaches you the fundamentals without overwhelming you. Hack. The Box, on the other hand, is like that high-performance supercar, powerful, demanding, and will push you to your absolute limits. Let us know in the comments which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content.